I've created a presentation on Canva, like a morning presentation. So this is what I would put on my board as students come into the room. So it starts with, hello Monday, let's do this. Get a little way to kick off the week, motivating, telling students we can do this, let's do this week, let's get it started. So the first thing I would have on there after that is if I had any class birthdays, I would display that on the board and have the whole class say, for example, Emily, happy birthday, Emily. And it just makes students feel good. It's a good little way to recognize students, especially on a day like their birthday. Next would be a bell ringer. So if my bell ringer question was how many syllables are in the word basketball, we will have been working on phonemic awareness and phonics. So students would be able to tell me the number of syllables in the word basketball by clapping it out or just looking at the word and knowing it. Next would be vocabulary words. So I would have a list of all my vocabulary words throughout the week on there. And reminder that the quiz is on Friday, September 30th. So just a little reminder for my students to be studying throughout the week. Overall, Canva was really user-friendly. It had really cute fonts to choose from and a bunch of stickers. It's visually pleasing and keeps students engaged. So overall, great platform.